how to sync Jira and a Notion. So first, you just have to open your Notion, and then you just have to go to the left side or left panel. This time you have to look for settings and members. Tap this one. And then under settings, you have to look for my connections, and that is below my notifications. So tap my connections here. And then you will see all of the applications that your Notion is connected. However, there's no Jira here. So we have to tap this browse to the gallery where we can see tons of applications here and integrations. So you have to scroll down and look for Jira, which is this one below high touch. Okay, so what you're going to do is to tap that. If you can't find it below, then you can just simply type it in the search icon or search bar, type Jira. And then what you're going to do here is you have to click this Add to Notion button. So scroll up and tap this Add to Notion button right here and wait for a couple of seconds as it is connecting. So now you are on your Notion. Probably you have been connected to Jira. However, to make sure, and then what you're going to do here is you have to simply, look at your connections. If you can see it right here, then probably you are not yet connected to Jira. Okay, so you could also tap this connect. Okay, and then what you're going to do here is wait for a couple of seconds, and you have to give access to, Gira to your Notion. So select a template right here, for example, project management. And the next, so it's now preparing. And as you can see, I am now connected to Jira. So once you're connected, everything is so easy. You can go to your template and then type slash and then type JI. You can see this, tap this one. And then you just have to embed the link here. So you have to open your Jira. You have to make sure you check account also. Once you've opened it, copy and then paste it right here and then link. Okay, so basically, if you have connected your Notion to Jira, you will see this, and all you have to do is to embed your link. And once someone tap that or you tap this, and it will take you directly to your Jira account. So that's how you basically sync Jira and Notion. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.